Dr. K. Padmaja here with previous year's question papers on environment related concepts which appeared in the various competitive examinations. Definitely going through these questions would increase your score in the upcoming competitive exams. As per the Sustainable Energy for All report published in 2015, how many people in the world live without electricity? 0.9 billion, 0.75 billion, 1.1 billion, 1 billion. Answer is option C, 1.1 billion. The UN Sustainable Development Goals came into force in 2016. When will they expire? 2030, 2025, 2027, 2050. The correct answer for this question is 2030. The UN Sustainable Development Goals time limit is from 2016 to 2030. So we have yet another 8 years for these United Sustainable Development Goals to expire. Which of the following is not an explicit goal of sustainable development? A. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all. End racism in all its forms. End poverty in all its forms everywhere. Takes urgent action to combat climate change and its effect. The correct answer is B. End racism in all its forms. By adopting the following, we cannot reduce the emission of greenhouse gases. A. Reducing the use of body perfume sprays. Reducing use of incandescent lamps. Turning on the fridge only when required. Burning of household fuels. The correct answer for this question is option D. Burning of household fuels. So by burning household fuels, we are directly contributing to the emission of greenhouse gases, which would result in the various climate change. Compared to the cooking in a normal utensil, using pressure cooker for cooking rice would save approximately how much percentage of cooking gas? 40%, 50%, 20%, 30%. The correct answer for this question is 20%. That is, when we cook in a pressure cooker, we save approximately 20% of the fuel. Concerning the food chains in ecosystem, which of the following kinds of an organism are known as decomposer organisms? Viruses, fungi, bacteria. Select the correct answers using the codes given below. Only 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, 2 and 3. That is, the decomposer organisms are mostly fungi and bacteria. Never viruses decompose any organisms. Which of the following are the primary consumers in an ecosystem? Select the correct answers from the codes. Ants, deer, fox, tiger. Codes 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 4. Primary consumers are those organisms which depend for their survival on the plants. So, among the 4 options which are given below, the correct answer is option A, that is 1 and 2. Ants and deers are said to be the primary consumers in an ecosystem. With the reference to food chains in the ecosystem, consider the following statements. A food chain illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feed upon each other. Food chains are found within the population of species. A food chain illustrates the number of each organisms which are eaten by others. Which statements given are or is correct? Only 1, 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, none of these. The correct answer for this question is A, only 1. Food chain is nothing but a diagram which illustrates the order in which a chain of organisms feed upon each other. Next question, when we eat the flesh of goat, we are primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers, none of the above. The answer for this question is option B, secondary consumers. Trophic level 1 includes herbivorous animals, carnivorous animals, omnivorous animals, green plants. The correct answer for this question is option D, green plants. If you like the content of this presentation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.